I don't have any friends and I don't have any hair, but neither does the anglerfish and she doesn't care. Because you can't eat the knife if you lived your whole life without light, and you can't eat the fish if you've only ever eaten fish, and you can't feel alone if it's all you've ever known. Yeah, the deep sea anglerfish has no reason to be happy, but she has a freaking idea what else to be. I hope that you enjoyed that. Please don't forget to leave potential song titles in the comments. I need to get a title for the song. And secondarily, DFTBA Records is having the DFTBA Radio Hour tonight, in which Toddly00 and Caitlin Sky will be talking about all things nerdy, all things DFTBA, all things musical, all things awesome. 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There's a link in the sidebar. John, I hope you enjoyed my music. I enjoyed your Question Tuesday, and I especially enjoyed Captain Willie's voyage on the failboat. Don't forget to be awesome.